Hello students, come on, we'll continue the problems on probability. So far we have completed 21 problems. Hope you have watched all the 21 problems earlier. Now you got a lot of confidence in solving the problems on probability. Now I think it won't be a difficult chapter, probability. Right, so before starting the problem, I expect that everybody have the printout of the problems from the link under my description. Without problems you cannot understand, so please before watching the video always keep it ready, the problems. Now 22nd problem, see the 22nd problem. I already told you this probability chapter is a unique chapter where every problem will be a unique problem. Very few problems are repeated, but most of the problems are always unique. So you have to understand the contents of the problem. Until and unless you understand the content, you cannot, mechanically you cannot solve the problem. This is the peculiarity of probability chapter. Now, 22nd problem, see carefully. In a committee consisting of 25 members, everyone is proficient in mathematics or statistics or both. So 25 members are there in the committee. Every member is proficient either in mathematics or statistics or both. Now, among them, 19 members are proficient in mathematics and 16 are proficient in statistics. So in this 25 persons, 19 are proficient only in mathematics and 16 in statistics. If a person is chosen at random from the committee, find the probability that the member is proficient in both mathematics and statistics. One person is selected at random. We want to find out whether this person, what is the probability that this person is proficient in both mathematics and statistics. So we have to calculate A and B. We will suppose A is the event that the person is proficient in mathematics. B is the event that the person is proficient in statistics. Now see here. A is equal to event that the member is proficient in mathematics. B is the event that the member is proficient in statistics. Now we can represent the data given in the problem. P of A, probability that the member is proficient in mathematics. So how many persons are proficient in mathematics given in the problem? 19 out of a total of 25. Total number of members are 25. Out of 25, 19 are proficient in mathematics. So 19 by 25. P of B, probability that the member is a proficient in statistics. So how many committee members are proficient in statistics given in the problem? 16. Out of 25, 16 are proficient in statistics. So P of A given 19 by 25, probability that the person is proficient in mathematics. P of B, probability that the person is proficient in statistics. P of A and B, the probability that the person chosen at random is proficient in both mathematics and statistics. That is P of A and B. This is not given in the problem, we have to find out. This is the ultimate question. Now P of A or B, probability that the person selected, that the person chosen at random is proficient in either statistics or mathematics. Statistics या mathematics दोनों में से कोई भी एक आता. So it is given in the problem 25 persons are there and everybody is proficient either in mathematics or in statistics. Everybody is proficient either in mathematics or in statistics. So P of A or B, that is given in the problem 25. 25 out of 25. 25 by 25. And 25 members hai, or everybody is proficient. All the 25 are proficient either in statistics or in mathematics. So 25 by 25. Now see here, whenever we have to find out A or B, we apply addition theorem. By using addition theorem, we can be able to get P of A and B. Now addition theorem apply karte वक्त we have to see whether the events are mutually exclusive or not mutually exclusive. Mutually exclusive का मतलब if A happens, B will never happen. B happens, A will never happen. This is called mutually exclusive. Not mutually exclusive का मतलब A and B can simultaneously also happen. दोनों भी जब हो सकते तो it is called not mutually exclusive. In this case, the events A and B are not mutually exclusive because a person can be proficient both in mathematics as well as statistics. So according to addition theorem, P of A or B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A and B. ये addition theorem कब apply करेंगे? If the events are not mutually exclusive. If the events are not mutually exclusive. So P of A or B is given in the problem 25 by 25 is equal to P of A 19 by 25 plus P of B 16 by 25 minus P of A and B. We don't know. We have to find out. So ultimately we have to find out P of A and B in the whole equation. Now this P of A and B is on RHS. Now I am taking it to the LHS. So this minus will become plus P of A and B. 19 by 25, 16 by 25 as it is I am keeping. But 25 by 25 is on LHS. I am bringing it to RHS. So it will become minus 25 by 25. Now take the LCM, all 25 denominator, 25 is the LCM. So 19 plus 16 minus 25, you will get 10. 10 by 25. Or 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. So 2 by 5 is the probability that randomly a person chosen is proficient in both mathematics as well as statistics. P of A and B we got. P of A and B ka matlab the probability that the person is proficient in mathematics and statistics, both. 2 by 5. That's it. Now, 23rd problem. See the 23rd problem. A bag contains 5 green, 4 black, 6 white balls. The bag contains 3 different colors of balls. So 5 green, 4 black, 6 white. So total 15 balls are there. Total number of balls 5 green, 4 black, 6 white, 15 balls. A ball is drawn at random. Find the probability that it is either a green ball or a white ball. One ball is randomly chosen from the bag. What is the probability that this ball is a green ball or a white ball? So we find what is the probability of a green ball. Probability of drawing a green ball. So how many green balls are there? 5. Total number of balls 15. So 5 by 15 is the probability of drawing a green ball. And how many white balls are there? 6 white balls are there. The probability of drawing a white ball is 6 by 15. Now the events are mutually exclusive. Why the events are mutually exclusive? When the ball is drawn, it may be either green or white. The ball will not have 2 colors. एक ही बॉल के ऊपर 2 कलर्स नहीं हो सकते, ग्रीन और व्हाइट. या तो बॉल ग्रीन होगा या तो बॉल व्हाइट होगा, दो में से कोई एक होगा, दोनों एक साथ नहीं होंगे. तो इसको कहते हैं म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव इवेंट्स. The ball may be green or it may be white. It will never be both. The events are mutually exclusive. So the probability of drawing either a green ball or a white ball is P of A or B is equal to P of A plus P of B. P of A means probability of drawing a green ball. What is the probability of drawing a green ball? 5 by 15. And P of B is probability of drawing a white ball. 6 by 15. So 5 by 15 plus 6 by 15. LCM if you take 15, 5 plus 6, 11. 11 by 15 is the probability that the ball drawn is either a green ball or a white ball. Next, problem number 24. If a single draw is made from a pack of 52 cards, what is the probability of securing either an ace of spade or a jack of clubs? The total number of cards in a pack is 52. We are drawing a single card. What is the probability of securing either an ace of spade or a jack of clubs? So what is the probability that the card drawn is an ace of spade or jack of clubs? So we must know how many ace of spades are there and how many jack of clubs are there in the pack. Now number of ace of spade 4, number of jack of clubs 4 in the whole pack of 52 cards. 52 cards में 4 ace of spade रहती है और 4 jack of clubs होती है. So the events A and B are mutually exclusive. Since there is no card which is both. कोई भी एक कार्ड ऐसा नहीं होता जो ace of spade भी है और jack of club भी है. जो एस ऑफ स्पेड रहेगा वो जैक ऑफ क्लब नहीं होगा, और जो जैक ऑफ क्लब होगा वो एस ऑफ स्पेड नहीं होगा, दोनों म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव है। तो द इवेंट्स ऑफ ड्रॉइंग एन एस ऑफ स्पेड and the event of drawing jack of club both are mutually exclusive. Probability of either ace of spade or jack of club, ये दो में से कोई एक निकालना है, तो P of A और B is equal to P of A plus P of B. P of A और B is equal to P of A plus P of B. अगर म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव है तो ये फॉर्मूला है, नॉट म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव है तो A और B का ये फॉर्मूला। नॉट म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव अगर है तो P of A और B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A and B. म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव अगर है तो P of A और B is equal to P of A plus P of B. तो 4 by 52 plus 4 by 52, 8 by 52. अब 2 4s are 8, 252, 26 times. 2 2s are 4, 2 13 times. So 2 by 13 is the probability that the card drawn is an ace of spade card or jack of club card. That's all. This is 24th problem. Now see the 25th problem. A fair die is thrown. A fair, genuine die is thrown. Write down the sample space. Sample space will give you all the outcomes of the experiment. Maximum total outcomes of the experiment will be given in sample space. So now when die is thrown, what may be the outcomes? Events. The events may be you may get 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. Dice will have 6 faces. On each face one number is written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it. So you have to show this in sample space. Second, what is the chance that either an odd number or a number greater than 4 will turn up? When you throw the die, a fair die is thrown, what is the chance that it is an odd number? So in 6 numbers we have 3 odd numbers, 3 even numbers. The odd numbers are 1, 3, 5. Even numbers are 2, 4, 6. So here it is not asking even, it is asking you odd. So what is the probability that the die will show an odd number 1, 3, 5 or a number greater than 4? A number greater than 4 का मतलब 4 से बड़ा नंबर क्या है? 5 or 6. 5 or 6. Now see here. Sample space of fair dice thrown. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the sample space. Now odd numbers. In this sample space, which are the odd numbers? 1, 3, 5. So 1, 3, 5 are odd numbers. Number greater than 4. Number greater than 4 are 5 and 6. The two events A and B are not mutually exclusive since there is one number 5 which occurs in both. अब ये दोनों events, odd number and number greater than 4, ये दोनों events mutually exclusive नहीं है. It is not mutually exclusive because there is one number which is there in both the events. One number is there which is in both the events, which is that number 5. You can see 1, 3, 5. 5 is there in this event, and 5, 6. 5 is there in this event. So there is one number which is occurring in both the cases. So the events are not mutually exclusive events. So P of A, probability of odd number. So how many odd numbers are there? 1, 2, 3. Total numbers, total sample space 6. So 3 by 6. This is 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 by 6 is the probability that the number is an odd number. 3 by 6 is the probability that the number is odd number. P of B, probability that the number is greater than 5. Probability that the number is greater than 5. So greater than 5, two numbers are there, 5 and 6. So 2 by 6 is the probability that the number is greater than 4. P of A and B. A and B का मतलब ऐसा नंबर जो कि दोनों में भी रहना, यानी ऑड नंबर्स में भी आना, ग्रेटर देन 4 में भी आना. यस, वन नंबर इज देयर 5. तो 1 by 6 पूरे नंबर्स में एक नंबर ऐसा है जो दोनों में भी है, ए में भी है, बी में भी. नाउ अकॉर्डिंग टू एडिशन थ्योरम, बिकॉज द इवेंट्स आर नॉट म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव इवेंट, that's why we apply the formula P of A or B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A and B. तो P of A or B is equal to P of A is 3 by 6, P of B is 2 by 6 and P of A and B is 1 by 6. LCM 6 अगर ले लेंगे तो 3 plus 2 minus 1, 4 by 6, 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 is the probability that the dice may show a number which is either an odd number or greater than 4. So this is the probability. 2 by 3 is the probability that the number which appearing on the dice may be an odd number or it may be a number greater than 4. 2 by 3. That's it. Now 26th problem. If a pair of dice is thrown, find the probability that the sum is neither 7 nor 11. Neither 7 nor 11. 7 भी नहीं रहना, 11 भी नहीं रहना. तो इसको उल्टा जाना पड़ता. First of all, we find out what is the probability of getting either 7 or 11. Either or मालूम करने के बाद neither nor मालूम कर सकते. We can easily find out neither nor after calculating either or. Either 7 or 11. See, 2 dice are thrown. When 2 dice are thrown, the total number of outcomes are 6 into 6, 36. This type of problem earlier we have already done. जब 2 dice throw करेंगे तो total number of outcomes are 36. 6 into 6. Now we need how many cases we have the sum of both the dices equal to 7. Equal to 7. तो कैसे केसेस आएंगे यहां पर I'll show you. Probability that the sum is either 7 or 11. First we calculate either or, then we convert it into neither nor. Okay. तो number of cases where the sum is 7. कौन से केसेस ऐसे रहेंगे जहां पर दोनों डाइस का टोटल 7 रहना, फर्स्ट डाइस एंड सेकेंड डाइस. तो व्हाट आर द केसेस इन विच द सम विल बी 7? फर्स्ट केस, पहला डाइस, फर्स्ट डाइस में शो 1, सेकेंड डाइस में शो 6. यानी 2 डाइस जब थ्रो कर रहे हैं तो पहले डाइस के ऊपर 1 आना, दूसरे डाइस के ऊपर 6 आना. तो 1 plus 6 7 हो गया. ये एक केस है. और सेकेंड, फर्स्ट डाइस 2, सेकेंड डाइस 5. अगर फर्स्ट डाइस पे 2 आया, सेकेंड डाइस पे 5 अगर आ गया तो 7 हो गया. 2 5. थर्ड केस, फर्स्ट डाइस के ऊपर 3, सेकेंड डाइस के ऊपर 4, 7. देन फोर्थ केस, फर्स्ट डाइस के ऊपर 4, सेकेंड डाइस के ऊपर 3, 7 हो गया. फिर नेक्स्ट केस, फर्स्ट डाइस के ऊपर 5, सेकेंड डाइस के ऊपर 2, again 7. Last case, first dice 6, second dice 1, again it will be 7. So these are the possible cases where the sum of both the dices will be equal to 7. तो इसका easy understand करने के लिए easy method ये है, first dice को 1 लेंगे, first dice 1 शो करेंगे सपोज, तो सेकेंड डाइस अगर 6 हो गया तो 7 हो गया. फिर अब बढ़ाएंगे, फर्स्ट डाइस को 2, फर्स्ट डाइस को 3, फर्स्ट डाइस को 4, 1 2 3 4 5 6. पहले डाइस के ऊपर 1 दिया तो दूसरा 5, दूसरा 6, 7 हो गया. फर्स्ट डाइस के ऊपर 2 लेंगे, दूसरा डाइस के ऊपर 5 लेंगे तो 7 हो जाएगा. फर्स्ट डाइस को 3 आ गया, सेकंड डाइस 4 आ गया तो 7 होगा. फर्स्ट डाइस के ऊपर 4 आया, सेकंड डाइस पे 3 आया तो 7 होगा. तो ये पॉसिबल केसेस है वेयर the sum of the 2 dices will be equal to 7. So how many cases? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So in 6 cases we may get the total as 7. The number of cases where the sum is 11. कितने केसेस ऐसे हैं जहां पर दोनों को मिलाते तो 11 होगा? तो फर्स्ट डाइस 5, सेकंड डाइस 6, 11 हो गया. फर्स्ट डाइस 6, सेकंड डाइस 5. तो 2 cases are there where we can get the total sum 11. Total number of outcomes when 2 dice are thrown are 6 into 6, 36 cases. Total number of outcomes. Here denominator. Now, probability. Probability that the sum is 7. Sum is 7. तो कितने cases में sum 7 आएगा? यहाँ पर 6 cases. तो 6 cases are there where we get the total 7. तो 6 by 36 is the probability that the sum is 7. Probability that the sum is 11. So how many cases will get 11? 2 cases. So 2 by 36. Probability that the sum is either 7 or 11. There is no, repetition. There is no common. See here, 5, 6. Is there 5, 6 in this cases? No. 6, 5. Is there 6, 5? No 6, 5. That means the events are completely mutually exclusive. These two events are mutually exclusive. So we can find out probability that the sum is either 7 or 11. P of A or B is equal to P of A plus P of B. P of A 6 by 36, P of B 2 by 36. तो LCM 36 आ गया, 6 plus 2 8 by 36. 8 by 36 का मतलब 4 2s are 8, 4 9s are 36, 2 by 9. So 2 by 9 is the probability that the sum is either 7 or 11. Either 7 or 11. But in the problem it is not asking you either, it is asking you neither nor. तो 1 में से minus कर देंगे. Probability that the sum is neither 7 nor 11 is equal to 1 minus 2 by 9. 1 minus probability that the sum is either 7 or 11. तो neither मालूम करने के लिए 1 में से either को निकाल देना. 1 में से either को निकाल देना. तो probability that the sum is neither 7 nor 11 is equal to 1 minus probability that the sum is either 7 or 11. So 1 minus 2 by 7, 7 by 9. That's it. This is the problem number 26. Now see the 27th problem. In a survey of 100 readers, it was found that 40 read magazine A. 100 readers का एक सर्वे करें जिसमें 40 readers will read magazine A. 15 read magazine B and 10 read both. Suppose करेंगे A is the event that the person reads magazine A. B is the event that the person reads magazine B. And P of A and B, probability that the person reads both the magazines A and B. What is the probability of a person reading at least one magazine? At least one magazine का मतलब probability that he reads either A or B. At least one का मतलब दो में से कोई एक, either A or B. So we have to find out what is the P of A or B. Now A is equal to event that the reader reads magazine A. B is equal to event that the reader reads magazine B. P of A and B, event that the reader reads both the magazine A and B. And P of A or B, event that the reader reads any one of the magazine, that is A or B. दो में से कोई एक. Now we are given P of A. Probability that the reader reads magazine A. How many reads by magazine A? 40. So 40 by 100 you will get 0.4. P of B. Probability that the person reads magazine B. So how many reads magazine B? 15. So 15 by 100, 0.15. And P of A and B, probability that the person reads both the magazines. So how many persons reads both the magazines? 10. So 10 by 100, 0.1. P of A or B, probability that he reads any one of the magazine. That we have to find out. So the events are not mutually exclusive. This A and B are not mutually exclusive. म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव का मतलब ये होता है ए पढ़ने वाला बी नहीं पढ़ता, बी पढ़ने वाला ए नहीं पढ़ता, तो इसको म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव. लेकिन यहां पर नहीं है, यहां पर तो दोनों भी पढ़ सकता. ए पर्सन कैन रीड बोथ द मैगजीन्स आल्सो. दैट्स व्हाई द इवेंट्स आर नॉट म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव. व्हेन द इवेंट्स आर नॉट म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव, प्रोबेबल एडिशन थ्योरम. एडिशन थ्योरम इज P of A or B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A and B. So P of A plus P of B minus P of A and B is equal to P of A 0.4, P of B 0.15 minus 0.10, 0.45. So 0.45 is the probability that the reader reads at least one magazine, either A magazine or B magazine. That probability is 0.45. So we have completed up to 27 problems.